Hi guys. Today I will introduce 5 apps like CamScanner that you should try. First up is the apowersoftscanner. This is the perfect application that turns a paper into digital with just a blink of an eye. It has auto recognition and OCR features that can turn documents into any editable format instantly. Moreover, you can add a signature and multiple pages into one. Then send it through FB Messenger, email, WhatsApp, etc. The next app like CamScanner is NoteBlock. It is a software which was designed specifically for teachers and students. In fact, it has all the features identical to CamScanner app like its smart detection, cropping, and support all document formats and still gives you professional quality scanned documents in just a few taps. Another application on the list is FastScanner. This application enables the user to scan multiple pages at once. For this reason, it is considered as the fastest scanning app without losing documents' original quality. Further, it is supported with cloud services like Google Drive and Evernote wherein you can save your documents in PDF or JPG format. Scanner Pro is next on the list. This software can capture any documents that you want to turn into high-quality PDF files. In addition to this, it has auto crop and edge detection similar to CamScanner and can scan multiple pages at the same time. This way, you can easily manage your processed documents and easily share it to your recipient through email, Dropbox, and iCloud. Last on the list is SwiftScan. This is an alternative for CamScanner which lets you have PDF, JPG, and QR code professional quality scans that is great for business sectors. It also allows to detect documents' edges, crop, and enhance documents as CamScanner is capable with. And those are the 5 apps like CamScanner that you should try. Thank you for watching.